Ilikuwa ni vidokezo. Taarifa zaidi ndizo ambazo sasa tunakujuza. Wanakwetu wananiita Joashua Msare, mfasiri kwenye lugha ya ishara ni Irene Chebiwot. Taarifa yetu ya kwanza ni kwamba kesi ya Naibu Rais aliyetimuliwa Rigathi Gachagua inaendelea katika mahakama ya Milimani hapa jijini Nairobi. Mawakili wa Gachagua wanashinikiza majaji watatu, Erick Ogola, Freda Mugambi na Antony wajiondoe katika kesi hiyo kwa kukosa imani nao. Hebu tuungane na mwanahabari wetu Mike Gunga anazidi kufuatilia matukio hayo na tusikilize ni kipi ambacho kinaendelea katika mahakama ya Milimani hapa jijini Nairobi.
My client will not apply to strike out this affidavit for whatever it is, but as you retire to consider the application before you, I urge you to very well bear in mind that you may be dealing with the same petitioner who is the same advocate, my lords. I will now go to the application itself. And my lords, you have been treated to the issues of bias which have been supported by the first petitioner. My lords, there is a letter that was written by my learned friend and very good friend, Mr. John Jomo. That letter was addressed to the Deputy Registrar of this court on the 20th of October, 2024. And that letter makes serious allegations, not just about this bench, but about other judges who are not in this matter. My client, the 9th respondent, filed the special motion before the National Assembly, and one of the grounds that was before the National Assembly was that the first petitioner attacked the independence of the judiciary contrary to Section 160 of the Constitution. That is material before this court. It is contained in the 9th respondent's replying affidavit. It is not the first time that the first petitioner is making such allegations about judges. He did so in 2023 about your sister, Lady Justice Esther Maina. In the letter addressed to the Deputy Registrar, and I refer you to paragraph 10, he insinuated, in paragraph 10, he says the lightning speed with which the Kirogoya file was grabbed and directions issued seems like a well-orchestrated plan to trample on the rights of the petitioner. They made allegations against the Deputy Chief Justice. In the same letter, they have asked an investigation be done in which they insinuate the conduct of the Deputy Chief Justice, the Chief Justice, so that, my lords, they have made allegations about 6 judges.
Your Lordship, I'm constrained to interject. My learned friend and my very good friend, Mr. Mushemi, is alluding to going to talk about some grounds which he says were before the Senate, but which were dismissed. So,
no. So that is not correct. Ground number 4, to correct my learned friend, was supported by 51 senators out of 67. It was one of the charges that was upheld by the Senate.
My Lord, those are the matters that are in the petition, and that is where we are before you.
Let us restrict ourselves to the application.